I'm sure by the writing on the box most of you already know what this is, but I'm excited. Yes, it's my 2 turbos. Now, I went for the GT28. It is a Chinese turbo, but hopefully it's from one of the more reliable Chinese turbo distributors, max feeding rods. So for all the price they cost me, I think it was 200 quid posted for both of them, it's worth a try. Looks to be well enough made. Only time will tell, I suppose, but yeah. Manifolds are due to arrive in the next day or two, so we'll get those unboxed too and hopefully get them bolted onto the engine to see exactly what they're going to look like. Thanks for watching. Hello again, another day, another car parts delivery. Let's see what it is this time. Give you a wee bit of a clue. I'll try not to get these green things all over the hall or else the wife will kill me. Okay, throttle cable. Wang loom with spare connectors. Many thanks to Clint and Ethan over at Brandsat Performance who have made this loom from scratch for me. It's for the Escort, which is going to be running an ST170 on throttle bodies. It's a very, very tidy job they've made of it. This comes with everything labelled, exactly where to go, which should make my life a lot easier. Now then, if you can see that, it's a Link Monsoon. Which I believe has come pre-mapped for the engine, so it should just be a matter of plugging it in and hopefully it'll start up on a base map enough to get it rolling roaded. Very nice little unit this actually. Now then, this next box has been debated for quite a while, but I just couldn't resist. It's the MSX 1.2 Strata dashboard, road legal. Comes with the GPS speedo, so I don't have to bother running a speedo cable. This is probably the bit I'm most excited about, to be fair. To bring the escort into the 21st century. You actually get the box open. Oh yes. Look at that. It appears you can put a mirror camera into the back of it too, which could be handy. It was a little bit more expensive with the GPS module in it, but I think it'll be worth it for the extra capabilities. You can do your data logging and everything through it as well. It does everything. It does your full beam indication, your indicators, fuel light, oil pressure. You can configure it into different screens, put your oil pressure onto it, the lap timer on it, rev counter, everything the dashboard in a modern car should do that definitely does not do in a 1979 Mk2 escort. Next, that's the GPS module I previously talked about. Seems to be just a wee stick-on aerial basically. And this is the wee bracket that the dashboard mounts to. Now then. Ooh. Yes. Look at these. These I believe are the Weber Alpha throttle bodies. And they come with a Hypercross air filter. Well, it says Alpha Performance on it, but it looks very similar to the Hypercross PX600. So this should fit and sit very nicely in the Mk2 engine bay. Hopefully, whenever the Capri is off to paint, I'll be trial fitting this lot into the escort engine bay, and I'll give you an idea of how the finished product is going to look. Anything else in here? Nope, that's it. So, just to recap, the escort is getting 5-linked, 6-linked actually. It's getting wide tarmac arches, it's getting all the Group 4 toys, ST170 throttle bodies, keeping the VVT because the Link Monsoon can control it. I believe the Link Monsoon is a variable VVT as well, it's not just a on-off switch like many other ECUs. And yeah, it should be fun. Was something to keep us all looking forward to after the Capri's done. So as soon as the Capri's done, doesn't end there, there's another full project or 3 to do after that. So yeah, thanks for watching. If you like what you're seeing, please share, please subscribe, and yeah, thank you.